Good morning guys, good morning sa inyo. Ako nga po pala si Dwayne na pinaka-pogi ng klase. And maliligo muna ako and after na magbibihis na din ako. And yan, I wear my shoes na at maya paalis na ako ng bahay. And yan guys, nakaalis na ako ng bahay and wait na lang at makasakay na. And yan guys, paano nakasakay na ako ng tricycle yan. Update ko na lang kayo pag nasa school na ako. Yan guys, I arrive at school na. And yan, thanks sa panonood.
The angle between a tangent and a radius is always 90. Two tangents.
If a second tangent intersect at the point of triangle C, then the measure of angle 4 is 1/2. Then the measure of angle is intersected R.
The angle in a semicircle is always 90, and this.
Oh, how to solve this problem? It's so hard, I can solve it.
Oh Jay, what's your problem? I will help you. Come on.
Bro, it's hard to solve. Can you help me?
Can you see? Guys, Jay, this topic is so very easy. Kung nakinig ka lang bro, alam mo sana to. Let's go na nga.
Oh Aaron, this is the problem that I can solve.
Bro, this topic is easy. But the given is medyo nalilito ako bro eh. Ano kaya? Magpatulong tayo kila Ayutatron. Bro, how to solve this given? Guys, let's go. Let's go.
Let's go bro, in the canteen. And Ronnie, amo kami turuan.
Sige bro, let's go. We are here at the canteen. How to solve this given na? Oh bro, so hard nga. Let's watch video lesson in YouTube. You have a video lesson? I don't have. How about you, Anika?
Yes, I have. Let's watch.
The angle between a tangent and.
Hi, greeted student. I'm your teacher, Chaska, and I will discuss about the inscribed angle theorem and the theorem proof. So first, the inscribed angle theorem. This theorem is laging kalahati ng central angle, ang intercepted arc. The image of sight representation of inscribed angle. At dito rin madetermine kung nasaan ang intercepted arc at central angle. So this is the problem. Meron tayong angle CBA, which have the measurement of 105 degrees. Ang hahanapin natin dyan is the measurement of arc CA. So ang gagawin natin dyan is 2 open parentheses, measurement of angle CBA equals 1/2. The measurement of arc CA. Then substitute the given of 2 open parentheses of 105 degrees equals 1/2 measurement of arc CA. So, cancel natin ang denominator, then 105 times 2 equals 210. So, the measurement of arc CA equals 210. The meaning of theorem 2 is if a secant and a tangent intersect in the exterior of a circle, then the measure of angle formed is 1/2 the positive difference of the measure of the intercepted arc. Example, the image below is example of the theorem 2. These are the example of solution in theorem number 2. Measurement of angle MKJ is equals 1/2 measurement of arc MJ minus measurement of arc LJ. 50 is equals 1/2, and then measurement of angle arc MJ is equals 19x plus 13 minus measurement of arc LJ is equals 8x plus 1. 2 open parenthesis 15 equals 1 half. Then copy the 19x plus 13 minus 8x plus 1. Then 2 times 50 is equals 100 equals copy the 19x plus 3x minus 8x minus 1. 100 minus transpose the 100 minus 13x plus 1 is equals 19x minus 8x. So 88 over 11 equals 11x over 11. Answer is x equals 8.
Bro, may nag-gets ba kayo? Meron bro. Thank you bro. Salamat tol. Pasensya na Dre, medyo nalilito rin dun ako sa topic na binigay sa atin eh. Pero madali lang siguro yun. Sige, muna na ako tol.
Salamat tol.
Tol, dito na kami.
Sa bawat pagharap natin sa salamin, minsan hindi lang refleksyon ang bumabalik,